If your schedule looks full, but production is flat, your schedule is hiding the evidence. Today, we replay your day like a black box after a crash. And in 5 minutes, you'll see 5 failure moments that quietly destroy your day, plus the 3 flight rules that make your schedule behave again. Here's why this matters. Most owners think the problem is my team or my patients. But the black box usually says the truth is simpler. Your schedule is running without rules. Stay with me, because failure number 4 is the one that makes great teams look bad. Failure 1. Collisions. That's when you stack 2 heavy appointments too close, same room pressure, same assistant pressure, same doctor complexity. Your schedule says booked. Operations says overloaded. At 9 o'clock you book a crown prep. At 9:30 you also book a limited exam that turns into a hot tooth. Now you're doing anesthesia, exam, x-rays, treatment talk, while the crown patient is waiting. The assistant is split, and sterilization is behind. The day doesn't feel a little tight. It feels like a crash. If you hear this sentence in your office, we'll make it work. That's a collision warning. Heavy procedures need spacing, or they create domino delays. Here's the trap. Collisions don't show up in yesterday's numbers. They show up today as stress, overtime, and a messy patient experience. Now failure 2 is where owners lose their best hour without noticing. Failure 2, DRIFT. One appointment runs 10 minutes long, then another, and by lunch, you're not 10 minutes behind. Your 10 o'clock patient arrives 5 minutes late. You still try to do everything. Then the 10:40 patient needs extra numbing. Then the assistant can't flip the room because sterilization is backed up. By 12 o'clock, your entire afternoon is chasing a problem that started at 10 o'clock. Drift compounds. It's never just 10 minutes. Install a simple trigger. If you're 10 minutes behind, you switch into drift recovery mode. That means you shorten non-essential steps, tighten handoffs, and protect the next critical appointment. Failure 3, dead zones. That weird 30 to 45 minute gap that can't fit anything. It looks harmless, but it's lost capacity every day. You have a 2 o'clock cancellation? Your next appointment is a 3 o'clock crown seat. You can't fit a new patient. You can't start a big procedure. So the team stays busy with little tasks, but the chair time is gone. And because it didn't feel dramatic, it keeps happening again and again. Dead zones require a same-day menu. 3 appointment types you can drop into any gap. 1 limited exam, 2 continuation/seat visit, 3 quick start procedures your practice already does. If you don't have a menu, you'll always bleed time. Stay with me because the next failure is the one that makes owners blame the front desk. When the system is the real problem, failure 4, broken flight rules. No protected urgent slot. No release rules. No definition of what goes where. The same day emergency calls at 10:30, your team has no rule for where to put it, so they squeeze it into the least bad spot. That pushes a patient, which pushes another patient. Now the doctor's running behind, patients are frustrated, and your front desk is getting blamed for Without rules, even great staff can't win. Flight rules remove improvisation. Improvisation is what creates chaos. Failure 5, handoff leaks. Your schedule doesn't end when the patient leaves the chair. It ends when the next step is secured. Next visit, booked. Treatment follow-up triggered, and financial clarity set. A patient agrees to treatment. Yes, let's do it. But the handoff is sloppy. No, next appointment is locked. No follow-up sequence is triggered. They leave thinking, I'll schedule later. Later becomes never. And your next month collapses quietly, even though today looked fine. Handoffs must be a system, not a hope. If it's not booked or triggered, it didn't happen. Now the fixed 3 flight rules that stabilize everything. Flight rule 1, 1 protected urgent slot every day. Not if we can. Protected. Flight rule 2, release rules. Hold stay open until a set time, then release to anyone. This stops last minute chaos. Flight rule 3, placement rules. Heavy cases don't stack, and late afternoon isn't the landfill for everything that didn't fit. Install these, and your schedule stops crashing, and starts behaving. Here's your 2-minute daily black box review. Every day ask, where did we drift, and why? Where did we collide, and why? Where did we create dead zones, and why? Fix the cause once, and the schedule stops repeating the crash. Want my 1-page schedule, black box audit, and the same-day menu template? Grab it from the link on the description below.